Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2187 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your engine's air-fuel mixture. And if left unresolved, it can cause rough idle, poor acceleration, misfires, and reduced fuel economy. What does P2187 mean? P2187 stands for System to Lean at Idle Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine is running to lean while idling on Bank 1. A lean condition means there is too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion process. For the engine to run smoothly, the air-fuel mixture must stay within a specific range. When there is not enough fuel, the engine may struggle to maintain a stable idle. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2187, you may notice: check engine light on, rough idle, engine misfires, hard starting, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, reduced fuel economy, and sometimes engine stalling while idling. In some cases, the engine may run normally while driving but become rough when stopped. Component location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is usually located between the air filter box and throttle body. The oxygen sensor for Bank 1 is installed in the exhaust system. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail, and vacuum hoses are connected around the intake manifold area. These components play a major role in maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture. The most common causes of P2187 include vacuum leaks, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel injectors, faulty oxygen sensor, intake manifold gasket leaks, PCV system leaks, or fuel pump problems. Vacuum leaks are one of the most common causes because they allow unmetered air into the engine. Quick diagnosis: start by checking for vacuum leaks around hoses and the intake manifold. Inspect the PCV system. Check live MAF sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Verify fuel pressure according to manufacturer specifications. Inspect oxygen sensor readings and check injector performance. If fuel trims are highly positive at idle, a vacuum leak is often the cause. How to fix P2187. Repair vacuum leaks, replace damaged hoses. Clean or replace the MAF sensor, repair intake manifold gasket leaks. Replace faulty oxygen sensors if needed, clean or replace clogged injectors. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2187 will restore the proper air-fuel mixture at idle. Improve idle quality, eliminate hesitation and misfires. Improve fuel economy ... and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.